Ways to boost cell phone signal strength for free. It's not always necessary to spend a lot of money to solve your cell phone signal problems. Sometimes it can be a simple fix to go from poor calls and slow data to a much better phone experience. We'll cover the best ways that we've found on how to boost your cell phone signal strength for free, and hopefully one will be the solution for you. 1. Check your phone for damage. Sometimes dropping a phone, even in a case, can cause the internal antenna to be damaged, which will significantly impact the quality of the cell service that you receive. It's worth taking the case off of your phone and inspect the phone for damage to the back or corners. You can also typically schedule a free appointment with Apple or your carrier, and they can run a diagnostic on your phone to confirm that all of the hardware is working properly for you. If it's not, then the phone can sometimes be fixed or replaced for free, as long as it's under warranty. 2. Use Wi-Fi calling when you're on a reliable internet connection. If you're experiencing bad cell phone reception but you have a good Wi-Fi connection, then you may want to use Wi-Fi calling, if your phone supports it, instead of placing your calls over the cellular network. This is a great, and free, way to quickly solve bad cell signal for your voice calls. 3. Upgrade to a newer phone. If you have a very old phone, specifically one that only supports 3G and not LTE, then upgrading to a more modern phone is highly recommended. Even a model a version or two back can be very affordable and will greatly improve your voice calls and data speeds, because it will be able to take advantage of high-speed data over LTE, voice over LTE, VoLTE, LTE, and Wi-Fi calling, to name a few. 4. Change to a different carrier. Last but not least, if there is a different carrier in the area that has great cell service, it may be switching carriers and solving your problem that way. Many carriers are now offering incentives or will pay your contract cancellation to switch. 5. Install a cell phone signal booster. A cell phone booster will take a weak outside cell signal, bring it inside the home, office or vehicle you're at, and then broadcast the boosted signal to the area that needs it most. They're certified by the FCC and recommended by all of the major cell carriers as a preferred solution to weak cell signal or obstructions that prevent the signal from reaching the areas that you need. With millions of boosters operating throughout the United States every day, they're one of the best options for cell signal problems. Hopefully one of these options put you on the path to better cell signal.